started the journey from Rishikesh to Gangotri at 9 a.m. in the morning. It takes 10 to 12 hours time to reach Gangotri. The roads are clean and beautiful, but you can get stuck in traffic as you climb uphill.
Moving away to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah.
We had our lunch at UttarKashi. It was very hot out there, but the temperature drops as soon as we climb up.
Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
We reached Gangotri at around 8:30 p.m. at night. It was freezing cold. Temperature was around 2 degrees Celsius.
Tonight we toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah. Yeah, we'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days
We got our hotel just beside the river Bhagirathi. The whole night you can hear the roaring sound of the river.
gotta love it till you never break apart. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be
We chose day 3 for acclimatization.
we gonna do this tonight.
It was a beautiful sunny morning. The mighty Bhagirathi was roaring down the hill.
So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight.
We had a dry run till Gangotri National Park. It was around 2.5 kilometers one way. This is the entry gate for Gangotri National Park. You have to get your permits and all paperwork done from here.